Blocking someone on Facebook is a straightforward process that helps you manage your online interactions. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device or visit the Facebook website on your computer. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Find a profile. Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the name of the person you want to block. Click on their profile from the search results to access their page. Step 3. Access the menu. On their profile page, look for the 3 dots located near their profile picture. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 4. Select Block. From the drop-down menu, choose the Block option. A confirmation message will appear explaining what blocking entails and how it will affect your interactions. Step 5. Confirm blocking. Read the confirmation message and click on Confirm to finalize the blocking process. The person will no longer be able to see your profile or interact with you on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Facebook and take control of your social media experience. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock them by following a similar process.